I think that most of us know that keeping an open mind is one of the most important things that we can do to make sure that we're entertaining the best ideas that exist and questioning our own beliefs to make sure that we're doing the best thing. And it's always a bit of a struggle, and it takes constant reminder. And for me, every time I ride on this motorcycle, it's a constant reminder to have an open mind. We actually bought this motorcycle originally to be for Dolly. When she was learning, she wanted a bike that was automatic so that she could pay attention to her street awareness rather than paying attention to the mechanics of shifting and everything. And I was not open to the idea because there's not very many automatic bikes out there. It's either electric bikes or Hondas. And I knew that she'd want to learn to shift in case we wanted to go travel somewhere and rent, and I just knew there wouldn't be automatics available. But I relented, and we ended up getting the automatic bike, and I fell in love with it for a couple of reasons. One, it's nice to just grip it and rip it. It's just relaxing. It's also really nice for commuting when you're in town, stop and go traffic, stoplights, stop signs every block. It's really not very much fun to have to shift, and it wears out your clutch hand. And it's just been really nice to have the automatic. Then there's a second thing I didn't like about this bike. When we bought it, it had this top case here, which I think looks a little bit odd and goofy, but it's also ended up being super convenient. We can pack that thing full of groceries, we can pack it full of stuff when we're going out on a trip, food, and I don't have to have a backpack on, so my shoulders are looser, I'm more relaxed, it's just a better ride. And those are two things that I never would have considered if it wasn't for somebody else kind of pushing me in that direction. So every time I ride this bike, I just remember that I'm very often wrong, and I need to pay attention to those around me so that I can make better decisions. Hopefully that could be a reminder to you as well, to look around and see what can I do today to have a more open mind and make a better decision for myself. Alright, until next time. We'll see you later.